Hey everybody, Todd here, Mark Legacy Acres. Hey, we're going to work on some more pond cleanup, beautification. I don't know if you can tell, but these weeds are, I don't know, not quite up to my knees. And our 3-year-old grandson, he'll be really close to 3 years old when he's here this next trip, is going to want to fish. And I'm not going to have him go through weeds that are up to his waist to try to fish. That's no fun. So we are going to spend an afternoon trying to clean this up some. We're going to rotary cut. I've got a weed eater, industrial sized weed eater that takes the saw blades. I'm going to try to get some of that stuff done. And we're going to pick up some of the stuff just laying all over the place, these woods, trees, limbs, and try to make a nice easy area for him to fish, because that's important. And we're going to then, after we pick all that up, I'm going to see if I can get the zero turn in there without putting it in the pond. That would be nice to not put it in the pond. So that's going to be a lot of work, but hey, it's worth it for Colton. So that's what we're going to work on this afternoon. We're going to bring you along. So next time you see me, I'm going to be on the zero turn, working on this portion first. All right, everybody, we had pretty good afternoon work. This is how we turned out. It's still not perfect, but I'll tell you what, it's a lot better than it was. It's more, it sounds a little funny, national parkish, at least city parkish, if not national, but I want to take you up and show you a view that we never really had before. And if you've been watching our channel at all, you've seen us clearing off the hill where our home site's going to be. That's it, right over there. Right over there is where the home's going to be. So all that work that we've been doing to clear off that hill, it's paying off. I think it looks fantastic. So what we plan to do, or I plan to do, is over time get this overgrown side to look something like that. So we've got a view like that off from our deck. But anyway, we got this cleaned up nice. I think this is an area that the grandson will be happy to fish in, and a fulfilling afternoon's work. So thanks everybody for hanging around with us. I know my pond videos typically don't get a lot of views, but it's important to us and we just want to share it with you. So until next week, thanks a lot, and we enjoyed having you here. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and comment. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. If you've got ideas, tell us what you think we should be showing on the channel. So thanks again, everybody. Mark with Legacy Acres out.